Hello everyone, I am going to explain question number 15 from exercise 3.2. Find a square minus 5a plus 6i if a is equal to a matrix. So a is a matrix given to us and we have to find out the value of a square minus 5a plus 6i. So just see how to solve this. Here a is a matrix given to us and I assume this as equation 1. Now whatever terms they want, there are three terms, a square, then 5a and then 6i. So I one by one I calculated first a square. So firstly I calculated the a square. A square means a is multiplied by twice, so a multiplied by a. So two matrix means same matrix I write twice, so it's going to be your a square. Means matrix square we have to do. So 2 times just write down. So it will convert to the square of matrix. So in this, so multiply them, and multiplication of matrix is you have to multiply the first row by first column, enter here, then first row multiplied by the second column, enter here, then first row multiplied by the third column, enter here. Similarly, I completed complete steps like suppose this last row, how I obtained the last row. This last row, third row multiplied by the first column, I entered here. Then third row multiplied by the second column, I entered here, and third row multiplied by the third column, I entered here. So row multiplied by a column. So in this what you have to do is corresponding element just multiply. First element by first, then minus 1 multiplied by 3, then 0 multiplied by 0, like this. First element by first, and then second element by second, and third element by third. It happens like this. So like this is I got these products and after that just multiply them and simple plus and minus is there. So I added them. So I obtained the a square. Then the second term which we need for calculating the value, required value, we need 5a. 5a means 5 multiplied by a, which is a matrix. From equation 1 I replace the matrix here, and to multiply a number by the matrix, this number will go inside, it will multiply by all the elements. So 5 2s are 10, then 5 2s are 10, and then 5 1s are 5. So like this, this 5 went inside and it got multiplied by all the elements of a matrix. So that I assumed as equation 3. Third term which we need is 6i. Now this i is named as a identity matrix. So it's on us that you can create it by, it's a square matrix, you can create it by 2 by 2 also, 3 by 3 also, 4 by 4 also, but since the remaining terms of required value are the square matrix of 3 by 3, that's why this I also I created as 3 by 3. Once again I am repeating, the remaining resultant matrix which we obtained in equation 2nd and 3rd is a square matrix of 3 by 3. That's why this I which is an identity matrix. So I is a short form which used to represent the identity matrix, and it can be of any order according to the question, it depends. So according to this question, this I is going to be a 3 by 3 matrix. That's why I created a identity matrix. So this kind of matrix is named as a identity matrix. It's a diagonal matrix in which the diagonal element is 1. So this 6 will go inside and will multiply by all. So like this we got fourth equation. Now from first, second, third and fourth equation we need to calculate a square minus 5a plus 6i. You can see in the question we have to calculate this. So from these equations I replace the values here and we got this result. Now all three matrices together you can add and subtract. How to see corresponding elements? So this is first element, means A11 element, this is also our A11 element, and this one is also our A11 element. So just see what we have to do. From here 5 just enter here, and from here 10 just enter here. Now what sign it have? Minus sign. So minus plus minus. Then from here 6, now it have plus sign, so plus 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 6. In the same way, this is your A12 element. A12 element here is 0, and here A12 element is again 0. So minus 1 entered here, then this 0 and this 0 will enter here. Like this is corresponding elements, you just do plus and minus whatever symbol they have. Then by that I achieved this matrix. I hope it's clear to you. For example, the C I'm going to explain you this middle term, that is your A22, because this is second row and second column, so A22. So from here minus 2 I entered here, from here 5, but it have minus sign, so it's going to be minus 5, and from here it's going to be plus 6. So like this I entered all the terms here, and after entering it we achieved this. Now simple plus and minus as 2, you will get this answer. So this is our answer. So like this, question number 15 is completed, and it's very easy question. I hope it's clear to you. Further, if you have any doubt, you can write in comment. Now you can download the content of this video in PDF from description given below. Thank you for watching.